just had a really good idea. Long story short, I just realized it's my girlfriend Joss's day off, and oh my god, she should come over and we can make fruity cocktails together, because why not? So when she gets here, make a little fruity cocktails, inspiration to hang out by the pool. And yeah, since I'm not in the Hamptons this year, even though I really want to be. I love how I'm acting like I know somebody with a pool in Tucson or a house in the Hamptons. No, I'm kidding. I actually do know somebody with a house in the Hamptons and Fire Island. But he broke my heart last summer, so yeah, that's that. God, I don't care. I know, whatever. Please take me back. No, I'm joking, I'm joking. Please don't watch this video, dear God. I'm gonna own my own house in the Hamptons, so this is irrelevant. Where is Jocelyn? We're supposed to be making margaritas or something with watermelon, because I could use that right now. And seriously, where's my friend? Oh God, I can't do this quarantine anymore. Make it stop. Where is Jocelyn? I gotta like social distance from the refrigerator right now. But seriously, hurry up. Because I'm gonna eat something. Like this bean burrito. Bean burrito and margaritas go together. Okay, back to business. The recipe, ingredients, and instructions to the margaritas are down in the description below. The burrito I wolfed down before filming is not included. I'm going to keep it 100. We totally winged this recipe, but what we came up with was so delicious. It's a nice recipe for the summer, and if you want to get lost in the sauce, just grab all your ingredients, toss them together, and start chugging. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. Hashtag balance. Happy summer! What's she on? Okay. Hey everybody, it's Heidi. And Jay. Hey. You should introduce yourself properly. That's Jocelyn, guys. Okay, we are going to be making cocktails today, and Jocelyn's gonna try to stay in the frame. Yeah, sort of. So right now we have tequila. So we have lemons, juice, and Skinny Girl Margarita, because like oversized watermelon. So Jocelyn, if you want to do me the honors of chopping up this bad boy,
I'll do my best.
or I have 2 glasses of like cheap wine. We don't have like wine containers, but like. Okay, so we're like chatting up a storm, and in between I'm like chewing her out to pick up the pace, cut the watermelon. She's making it out to be like brain surgery. I'm just like, literally, you put the knife through the watermelon, and she's like, oh my god, I can't believe I ever doubted you. Look how beautiful this watermelon is, and let's continue making margaritas. Hello. Hello, lovely. Okay, we have ice in here. So just
And some tequila.
and some. This is tequila. Pick up, and then we could add more tequila to here. Yeah, or you can have some.
Wait, what? Oh.
No tequila.
Oh, I
Is
know.
it?
No,
But there's
Okay,
there's
maybe
some
we have a little
tequila
tequila before
in,
making this video.
the cup of ice. Cheers. Think.
Jocelyn is quickly catching on to the fact that I don't have a recipe, but I'm trying to distract her. Should I just throw lemon juice at her?
You have a recipe for this?
I think we're just gonna wait.
That's a lie. I have no recipe.
Get out the cocktail book right
Okay,
now.
party's over. She knows
I'm
I'm
gonna go
full
get
of
out
it.
the cocktail book. Now it's time to drink it out. Hello.
But seriously, look at this nerd. What is she doing? Like, reading? Figuring out the Da Vinci Code? She's cutting into my drinking time, and I'm just ready for a cocktail. Just gonna start tossing in the lemon juice, okay? We're just gonna wing it at this
Cut
point.
it up a little bit more. Oh, it's so pretty. I love watermelon. Oh my gosh. Okay. Should we like muddle it or just like?
Let's muddle it a little.
Okay. So we are going. Oh, there we go.
I don't know how to bleep it out, but some adult language was used, and then we just kept cutting the watermelon in the wrong way.
Okay, yeah, kids are watching. You gotta. Okay. Professional, Josh. That's pretty good watermelon.
Put a little beep in there. Beep. Okay, so
we're just gonna add the
this
watermelon
is so far just tequila and watermelon.
with lemon juice.
Oh,
Should we add sugar
special lemon.
or no? We could add stevia and make it low-cal. Do you not like stevia, or you don't want
I
sugar?
don't like stevia.
We're gonna make 2 versions of this cocktail, one with stevia, one with sugar, and both with Skinny Girl, because obviously the housewives drink it.
Should we get the back of a spoon? Is that what they do? That's what they do in the shows, right?
Should we wash the back of this?
You can't say that stuff on camera. Okay, Josh. So next we're gonna get the back of a spoon. I'm sure. Okay, good. Muddle. Oh god, it's like going up. Joss is gonna add sugar and I'm gonna add stevia because, yeah. This is sugar. And
Thank you.
then I have my Stevia. It's like 2 different versions of a healthy cocktail-ish. Is that, just don't let my mom see how she gets about claiming. I'm gonna go get the mint so that we can have a fresh mint. I'm back. Woo.
We are making watermelon smoothies instead of a blender.
Cocktails.
We're doing Stone Age style.
Stone Age, fresh from the garden.
Oh, wow.
Hey, girl, hey. Which sprig do you want? No, legitimate. These are like fresh from the garden.
It smells good.
Okay. I don't know which one do you. There.
Fucking care. Which one?
Okay. Oh, shit.
Wait, are we doing like a mojito? Watermelon mojito?
I don't really know.
Margarito?
Margarito. So I'm gonna take. How many sprigs are you using?
Okay, sometimes you do need a recipe.
The ultimate question.
Just a few.
4?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad we both don't know what we're doing.
Sorry, nothing fell on the floor. Just act natural. Act natural.
I'm trying to act natural.
Let's go. I'll just go right there. Just totally did not get that. Skinny Girl or red wine?
Skinny Girl.
Because I'm down for both.
Okay, here goes the Skinny Girl.
Since we have tequila.
Since we have tequila.
Okay, good.
Hold on. Okay, relax. So there's that, and then woo. Okay, let's mix it up a little bit more. See that? And these are 10-minute cocktails. With your, is that okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
With your 2 favorite girls, Joss and Heidi. We're gonna be doing, like summer fitness videos, and yeah, here it comes. Oh my god, that's pretty good.
I was like, okay, I was expecting something worse.
I can't taste the alcohol in here.
I fucking can't.
Oh.
That's because you made your drink, not me.
Maybe it's a tolerance thing. What is that? See, I'm just ready to chug. Do you like it?
It's pretty good. It's actually pretty good.
Okay. I do. I think it's like, what? Is it a lot? Let me try yours.
It's good. You want to just chug it? Is that what you're trying to do right now? Tequila. Like horribly awkward on camera.
Really? I don't think so.
That's a lie. She's like Ted Bundy on camera. She killed it. Whatever. She's better
Oh,
at
it's
yoga. I'm better at
Margaritaville?
margaritas.
Cheers to girlfriends, getting fit, and getting the little cocktails in us during the summertime.
Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.